Speaker sir, also Unity Molacho issue, it has a lot of hidden illegalities, Speaker sir. The principal district court recently squashed off the construction license issued by the Chimbal village panchayat, deeming it invalid from unlawful orders of
Speaker
the
sir, point
BDO
of
and the
order.
DOP.
Speaker sir, point of order. Courtan struck down Corona construction license. सरकाराक सांगला सारखे तुटीन ते construction license follow up करून घे. We had option of going into appeal or we had the option of putting things in place starting. मुख्यमंत्र्यांनी डिसाइड केले की emotions and sentiments of the people were taken into consideration. I don't want to get into the legality of the thing here. ताका जाले सुरुवात करून हांव सोपयतलो. पण हांगाच्यान ते जेन्ना सुरुवात करता कोर्टाची भाशा हांगा मिसइंटरप्रेट करची न्ही म्हजी रिक्वेस्ट.
So कोर्टाची भाषा हिंग केली म्हणून म्हाका हिंग कितें उलोवपाक न्हू आमच्यानी. This is the house, no?
अन्य आमदार
Why are you objecting me before I speak, Speaker sir?
अन्य आमदार
Speaker sir, हांव कंटिन्यू करता. BDOन आणि DOPन जे हे अप्रुवल दिल्लें, डीम्ड अप्रुवल दिल्लें, तेजे इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन जावपा जाय आसली, ती जाल्या की जाल ना जाल्यार आमकां खबर ना. This wasn't just an oversight. Illegal developmental activities on sensitive wetlands, mangrove land prompted urgent work order notices.
पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर. स्पीकर सर, ज्या विशयाचेर आमी जेन्ना प्रोजेक्ट शिफ्ट केलो डायरेक्टली गव्हर्मेंटान जेन्ना डिक्लेअर केले म्हाका दिसता त्या विशयाचेर
ना बरें स्पीकर सर, हांव मुगे फर्स्ट सप्लिमेंटरी जे येता. I draw the attention. I draw the attention of this house to letter number 3/385 DEV 25.
एक मिनिट थांब. तुम्ही प्रश्न जो पळय विचारलो आता रिगार्डिंग युनिटी मॉल आणि माननीय मुख्यमंत्र्यांनी उत्तर दिले की तो विषय सोपलो आणि त्याचे डिस्कशन
तेजेरी क्वेश्चन जाता. सोपलो तेजे क्वेश्चन जाता. हांव तेजेरी स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन जाता. There is a letter that is addressed to the Biodiversity Management Committee of Village Chimbal. It is stated that the Unity Mall and the Prashashan Stamp projects will be shifted to another site away from Chimbal. This letter aha inga, and it is dated 29 January 2026, which is coming from the Director of Tourism. However, the letter does not state that it has been issued with the approval of the government or the cabinet or the competent authority. My specific question, can the Honorable Minister place before the House the cabinet decision, the government order or the file approval authorizing the shifting of these projects?
Joint question.
स्पीकर सर,
Because sir, I am maglole specific cabinet decision, government order. I still want these documents on the floor of the house. तुम्ही म्हाका दिचे आणि तुम्ही गेल ना जाल्यार गेल ना म्हणून सांगचे आणि ना जाल्यार हे हाऊस काबा जाच पयले तुम्ही हे कॅबिनेट अप्रुवल हाडचे, so that this is once and all for all it is shifted.